Step into the realm of mega technology, where we unveil the grandeur of heavy equipment, the brilliance of modern inventions, and the ever-evolving landscape of technological advancements. The Converse C91 is a dredger designed for small waterways, canals, and lakes. This technological giant has been equipped with the CW10 quick coupling system, which allows numerous tools to be attached to the attachment, such as a mowing bucket, dredging pump, chain mower, and grapple. This model has 3 outriggers, 2 in the front and 1 in the rear, and the mass range and length from 157 to 236 inches. The Converse C91 operates thanks to the driving force, a double auger with an anti-twist auger that is hydraulically foldable and height adjustable. CIFA's K67H model, mounted on trucks with a 196.85-inch wheelbase and equipped with a 7-section RRZ boom, introduces an innovation to the Carbotech range. With a boom length of 219.8 feet, this model expands the horizons of truck-mounted concrete pump applications, setting new standards. The uniqueness of the K67H is underscored not only by its scale, but also by the incorporation of advanced technology that provides unmatched efficiency on the job site. The MC815 stands at the head of the popular Maeda lineup with a whopping 8.09 tons of lifting capacity, making it the most powerful forklift in its class today. With a lift height of 64 feet and a new 10.4-inch multifunction touchscreen monitor and an additional 1-ton capacity, this crane offers unmatched versatility and high lift capacity. The optional 1.5-ton capacity SWL hydraulic 2-section extension increases the maximum lift height to 84 feet. There is an all-new search hook that provides a best-in-class load capacity of up to 1 ton. New to this model are a power lift mode and multiple outrigger mode, joystick radio control, self-leveling function, automatic crane folding by remote control, and an EU stage IIIB compliant engine that makes the machine environmentally friendly. The Menzi Muck M545X, often referred to as the Ferrari among spider excavators, is a high-performance, all-purpose machine designed for heavy-duty work in difficult terrain. With its sophisticated high-tech chassis and patented boom, this walking excavator adapts to any terrain, making it ideal for operations such as anchoring in ski regions, building forest roads and paths, laying foundations for power transmission towers and cable car supports. Easy Gripper is designed to help professional tire changers in a wide variety of conditions and situations. Using this system makes tire and wheel work faster and safer and prevents damage to tires, rims, and equipment. With a large gripping range and 11,000-pound capacity, our machine can do a lot. The Easy Gripper model, with a 90-degree tilt module, is ideal for use on forklifts. The optional quick change module allows the operator to switch to and from forks within a minute. Features also include a 3-point handle that ensures gentle and safe handling of expensive tires. But the infrared camera system and very precise rotation allow one person to install and remove tires and wheels. How quickly can the hardest material be cut? With a chain cutter from Denmark, instantly. It's not just a piece of equipment. I'd say it's like a revolutionary tool that transforms work processes. Its power makes it easy to handle any task, saving you time and money. Think safety and efficiency. That's what you get with such a powerful machine. Meet the DGT Modified Wrecker Super Heavy Duty Wrecker, patented by Big Technique. The machine features a 2-cylinder, 80-ton tilt head with no extendable boom and a 3.3-foot, 2-stage hydraulic extendable bottom elevator. The hydraulic system includes tubing, hoses, and a 10-function Bucher safety valve block. The installation includes a power tilt to minimize damage to bumpers. The tow truck also has one 20-ton Sepson hydraulic winch with 30-meter cable, pressure rolling, and pneumatic-free spool. The rig is fully sized and made up of modern Domex 900 steels, equipped with deluxe stainless steel tall boxes and a trestle. The HS57 is a heavy-duty mini-loader attachment that removes the collar and surrounding surface of concrete and asphalt manhole covers. The HS57 manhole saw was designed to get the job done by one operator and skid steer loader. The self-aligning hydraulic clamp attaches easily and securely to the collar. It provides a 57-inch diameter hole cut and lifts the collar and surrounding concrete asphalt layers once the cut is complete. The HS57 takes only 5 to 15 minutes to operate with one operator and a skid steer loader, drastically reducing labor hours and closing streets by as much as 75%. The cutting process is accomplished through the use of hydraulics, which creates downward pressure on the cutting drum rather than the weight of the mini loader. Hauling gravel and construction materials over tracks has never been easier than with the Hydrema 912 ES rail dump truck. It is capable of operating in both high and low rail mode, feeding material in a 180 G zone. The rail modules are mounted on a bolt-on system with quick couplings for hydraulics. This allows them to be removed when not in use for rail work. The large rail wheels ensure the position and stability of the tipper on the track, even at high speeds. The hubs of the rail wheels have individual disc brakes, so that both service and parking brakes act directly on the rail wheels. For safety reasons, this dump truck is equipped with automatic hydraulic locking of the articulated steering. In this way, the front and rear chassis are locked together, ensuring the truck's rigidity and minimizing the risk of derailment. Safe and fast, its quick installation characterizes this crane. This crane from the company's line of heavy-duty machines has numerous features that increase productivity, provide quick and easy installation, and is easy to use and very reliable. With 90 tons of load torque, a horizontal boom outreach of 113 feet with a jib, and a vertical boom outreach of up to 125 feet, this incredibly reliable crane is ideal for lifting heavy loads over long distances. Building Robotics has developed its autonomous track loader, ATL, which the company believes will definitely become part of many other autonomous construction vehicles. Using a combination of LiDAR technology, similar to that found in unmanned vehicles, and advanced GPS technology that allows for centimeter-accurate positioning, the ATL is capable of performing simple but difficult tasks. For example, digging a hole once, you just need to tell it where and how big that hole should be. The Brachy P11A is the Swiss knife among planters, equipped with everything you need for forest regeneration from A to Z. The machine turns regeneration into a work of art, considering ecology at every step. From scarification to precise planting, the P11A does it with ease right from the cab. It creates mounds of humus ideal for all soil types and places new life in the middle of each compacted mound. All parameters are controlled through the PLC platform and displayed, allowing the operator to select the ideal conditions for each seedling. Every action, from sowing depth to considering the plants already growing, is controlled with incredible precision. The Outlaw Pump Trailer is a high-performance unit that delivers increased efficiency and productivity. The 52-foot Outlaw is ready to easily handle pumping and mixing even the deepest lagoons, pits, and slurry storage areas. Among its distinct pluses are increased productivity and efficiency, extended reach and maneuverability, and easy transport and installation. 10-inch piping increases flow and/or reduces energy consumption. Engine configurations of 577 to 684 or more horsepower are available, allowing you to choose the power you need for your job. Pump 3,700 gallons per minute at agitation with 150 psi inlet pressure. The Multi-One solar panel washer is designed to gently clean the top surface of a solar panel array. This system can also be used for cleaning building walls, tunnel walls, and ceilings and Jersey-style barriers. The hydraulically controlled solar panel washing system consists of a telescoping arm and rotating brush, and to prevent damage, an electronic or proportional control system that constantly checks and adjusts the distance between the brush and the surface being cleaned. The large rotating brush with soft bristles allows solar panels up to 9.8 feet long to be cleaned quickly, efficiently, and without damage. The 875E is a multi-purpose carrier with 2 boom options for loading or handling wood under the most challenging operating conditions. Optimally positioned controls and a large touchscreen display improve ergonomics and overall machine control. Model advantages include better service access, more reliable undercarriage components, and extremely efficient hydraulic circuits. The result is high productivity, uptime, and fuel efficiency. The undercarriage is designed and built to withstand the rigors of constant use. The heavy-duty body provides additional stability when working with heavy timber. In the new LRC model from ABS Remorques, the manufacturer has used cross I-beams to attach the conveyor system to the trailer frame, providing a 30% increase in strength over the standard model. The subframe and other key components are now galvanized, providing maximum corrosion protection, reducing maintenance expenses and extending the life of the trailer. Direct conveyor connection accelerates unloading speeds by 16% compared to connecting to a hydraulic block. The LRC model's pressure regulators and connectors were reconfigured and an access door was added to the front of the trailer. ABS also redesigned the scraper mechanism to limit belt residue buildup. Finally, the door cylinders were relocated. All of these modifications were made to improve the safety and ease of use of the trailer for the operator. Something is about to happen that will make your heart freeze. A huge excavator, seemingly monumental and unshakable, instantly disappears into the magnitude of the Earth's trench. It's hard to resist admiration as you watch the creation of human hands collide with the might of nature. At only 2.4 feet wide and weighing 2.9 tons, it's the perfect machine for working in the tightest and hardest to reach places. Maneuverable and powerful, this spider crane lifts over 2.9 tons with a 28.5-foot telescopic boom to 41 feet of maximum height on the hook. The RPG 2900 is the highest level of performance in its category. With its compact size, track narrowing capability, and lightweight, this model is especially suited for smaller jobs where space is limited. And the main telescopic boom and auxiliary articulated top boom provide maximum maneuverability, even at medium heights. The amphibious dredger from CleanTech Infra is a unique machine that is designed for use in open and narrow canals, able to float in water and soft, swampy wetlands where a conventional excavator with tracks or tires would get stuck. It has a 22-foot reach and can endlessly rotate 360 degrees. Stabilizing wheels provide buoyancy when extended and act as stabilizers when under the dredge. The excavator also uses its wheels to load and unload from the trailer and can slide down steep slopes on its own. Camag's range of transportation solutions is as broad as the range of applications in the steel industry. Whatever your transportation task, Camag has the right vehicle for you. A vehicle that will prove its worth under the most demanding conditions. Extreme conditions, slag with temperatures up to 1300 degrees, liquid steel, angular and dusty bulk loads several meters long, red-hot slabs, or coils weighing tons. Camag can cope with any task. For example, the machine in front of you is designed to minimize the risk of accidents at work. See for yourself how it works. A road zipper barrier moving machine, also known as a zipper machine or road zipper, is a type of heavy-duty vehicle that is used to move concrete lane dividers to reduce congestion during peak hours. Many other cities use them temporarily during construction work. One of the advantages of barrier systems over other lane controls, such as traffic cones or overhead directional signals, is that a strong, reliable barrier actually prevents vehicle collisions. The Faymonville Float Max is a versatile inloader type semi-trailer for glass transportation. Partially metallized as standard, the Float Max semi-trailer, mounted on 3 axles and equipped with a reliable glass securing system, is highly resistant when transporting heavy sheet glass on pyramids. It features a high payload, a one-piece longitudinal chassis beam for maximum stability, sophisticated aerodynamics, and optional load distribution. The Faymanville Floatmax also has a stronger connection between the chassis frame and support channel, especially on all axles. Canada's Specialized Search and Rescue SAR teams regularly risk their lives by relying on aircraft to overcome serious challenges in hazardous weather and dangerous terrain. The demands on Canadian SAR aircraft are well documented, from challenging mountain contour searches, storms in the Arctic and North Atlantic, to extreme temperatures, icing, and precipitation. The C-295, built by Airbus and selected for the National Aircraft Search and Rescue Program, is ideally suited for those missions. This video is an exclusive inside and outside tour of the latest generation of the versatile aircraft that Canada recently welcomed to its fleet. Crawler crane with lattice boom, Minitowik Model 18,000 has a lifting capacity of 750 tons. Thanks to its simple assembly and self-assembly capability, a mobile crane with a small lifting capacity is sufficient when assembling the crane. A large selection of maneuvering and fixed jibs, sections, and boom heads allows you to solve many problems in modern construction. Several variants of counterweights provide an opportunity to develop low pressure on the base, thereby ensuring movement with a load on the hook on unpaved sites. What do you think of the idea of moving an entire modular house using special crawler technology? It's not just a step forward in logistics, it's a leap into the future of construction and architecture. This approach opens up new horizons for mobility, making moving and redesigning the environment literally a matter of a day. Imagine a machine that can reduce a car to the size of a scrap metal cube in just a few seconds. This is not magic. This is technology available to those who choose the right equipment for their tasks. The VMM 310 from SNP Private Limited brings the world into the era of brick automation, becoming the first fully automatic system of its kind. This machine is a true speed champion, producing 12,000 bricks every hour, thanks to its unique ability to move on wheels. It provides a cost-effective and environmentally friendly solution, reducing the need for workers and water usage to a minimum. The bricks created by the VMM 310 are not only 3 times stronger than traditional bricks, but also cost 45% less. The machine can work with various raw materials, including clay and fly ash, producing different types of brick and giving owners the freedom to produce anywhere and anytime, opening up new horizons in brickmaking. The Skycut is a pruning shear with an 82-foot fiberglass rod. It is equipped with a circular saw with a rotating head. This allows for pruning at high heights. The fiberglass, an electrically non-conductive material, ensures operator safety when trimming near high-voltage power lines. Depending on requirements, the self-propelled machine can also be equipped with a front shredder with fixed hammers. The P995 pontoon excavator from Liebherr is characterized by fast cycle times and high digging force. It has an operating weight of about 360 tons, an engine output of 1,750 kilowatts, and a respectable 346 horsepower, and a digging depth of up to 74 feet. Its design features a large panoramic window that provides an excellent view of all the equipment. By the way, the cutting force of the equipment is 657 kilonewtons, and the breakout force is 774 kilonewtons. The longest working equipment of the pontoon monster consists of a 53-foot monoblock boom, a 36-foot handle, and a capacious 36-foot backhoe bucket. An exciting new video, The Ferret, demonstrates that any vehicle is capable of traversing any type of terrain on the open country line of tires. Off-road champion B.J. Baldwin drives the advanced Ferret through forests and deserts, tackling seemingly impassable obstacles with ease. The Masters of Action Vehicle Engineering Atelier built this car on the platform of the British reconnaissance armored car Ferret of 1959 and significantly customized. The vehicle now has 6 massive Toyo open country tires mounted on the wheels and built to the original design. The King Shock suspension allows the Ferret to drive over rough terrain and over obstacles with ease. The R9800 mining excavators combines adaptability with high productivity. Depending on customer preference, this machine model is available with a Cummins or Liebherr diesel engine. An electro-hydraulic version of the excavator is also available. When paired with a T264, T274, or T284 dump truck, the R9800 is a cost-effective and highly efficient solution for various large-scale mining projects. The patented Eagle Punch Cutter 2 is portable and designed to split off-road tires (OTR) in 2 halves by cutting through the center of the tread. It can handle various tire sizes, from 39-inch rim size and 37-inch tread width, up to and including 63-inch rim size and 70-inch tread width. A blade is used to punch the tire, while a programmable logic controller (PLC) controls the tire rotation and the punching process, allowing the operator to set up the machine, press the start button, and run it. The self-propelled 3-wheeled machine with the latest suction unit is used to clean festival grounds and streets, and in the winter to suck up leaves for various municipalities. The 3-wheeled bike, as it is called, is very maneuverable. The location of the suction nozzles on the front of the machine, rather than the rear, prevents the vehicle from pushing the waste into the ground beforehand. The fans provide suction power and dirt pulverization. Due to its small size, the machine is easy to maneuver among the objects at the festival. The machine can unload the waste into a container using a hydraulic tipper. Autonomous machines are arguably the smartest tools that are ideal for getting the job done faster, safer, and more efficiently. That's why the natural gas electric wheel loader, jointly developed by Robo and DH Technologies, provides fully autonomous material handling and truck loading with high productivity, clean emissions, and revolutionary efficiency. Well, what else do you need to get great results? The box loader's X-Trem loaders multiple applications, making it an indispensable tool for your organization, whether you're moving, grounding, lifting, or double stacking. The technique boasts an unmatched 44-ton capacity at any position, and it offers the longest reach on the market with a 55.1 inches of clearance between a fully loaded container and the chassis rail. The forklift can lift the heaviest containers, even those that are poorly positioned or with unevenly distributed loads inside. Double extension stabilizers give it impressive stability, allowing it to work on soft or uneven ground. The reliable trencher model, T1255 Commander 3, produced by Vermeer, is characterized by high performance, which is necessary for work with hard rocks and large diameters. The machine is equipped with a Caterpillar engine rated at 600 horsepower, 447 kilowatts, and is well suited for a variety of work on rough terrain. Thanks to extra wide opening for the conveyor, this powerful equipment allows you to perform work in the framework of pipeline projects requiring the excavation of large volumes of soil. Dual rotary drive motors provide low-speed cutting with high torque to ensure excellent ground penetration and less chain wear. Have you heard anything about the new HT912 from Redru? This fully hydraulic, self-propelled, compact trencher is the perfect companion for your irrigation, sprinkler, and electrical system installations. As for the internal equipment, the heart of the unit is the 9-horse Honda OHV engine. A revolutionary new swivel system protects the pivot hub from dirt, and an operator presence monitoring system immediately stops the wheels and chain. Furthermore, importantly, this lightweight model is also available with a 12-inch, 18-inch, or 24-inch boom. This high-tech machine has much more significant dimensions than its predecessor, but its work is no less interesting and fascinating for the outsider's eye. The Mastodon M60 Forester Mulcher is designed to give land clearing professionals the ultimate in mulching performance. Inside the machinery's compact frame is a massive 160cc adjustable hydraulic motor controlled by the E-Tech Smart Drive system. The head develops up to 780 pounds of tree shredding torque at a maximum rotor speed of 2,200 RPM. The industry's most powerful driveline is utilized for vegetation processing with the new Mastodon carbine feed control tooth, which delivers sharp steel cutting performance and maintenance-free carbine durability. The echo-telescopic boom was developed by Echo-Hartstall GmbH specifically for embankment work, trench clearing, and river and canal construction. Several modifications were made until the telescopic excavator took its final shape and was now capable of handling deep construction excavations and underwater construction sites up to 82 feet deep. According to the manufacturer, the boom and telescopic handle are designed for use with a 1.5 cubic yard grapple, and a special 4-ton counterweight at the rear is designed to provide more stability when the telescoping arm is extended. Kuima AG has created a high-performance turner composter windrow turning machine that has many features and advantages that set it apart from the competition. The technique has a sturdy box construction that is designed to handle tough materials and has been tested in the harshest conditions. The turner composter is typically used for manure and larger compost materials. The technique has a higher ground clearance, making it more suitable for larger piles. The hydraulically driven turner wheel provides more speed and traction. The drum has a 3-inch diameter through shaft for greater rigidity and performance. This drum is designed to throw material back with less power. The turner composter can be towed on the road, and its drawbar easily swivels for transportation. You will be impressed by the off-road capability of the scissor elevators of the Pulseo generation. The axle transmission and all-wheel drive give them excellent off-road capability and exceptional off-road performance. The HS15E and HS18E scissor elevators can handle gradients of up to 45% and have high ground clearance. Therefore, they can work on steep slopes and are suitable for all situations. These machines are capable of traveling on any terrain, even on very rough terrain, and they have a high grip on the ground. The oscillating axle adjusts the position of the front wheels to uneven terrain and ensures continuous contact between the wheels and the ground. Airless honeycomb tires are highly durable, have good ground grip, and absorb shock. It's wonderful to see how such a small device easily dominates rough wood to create a work of art. Its powerful hands transform the most unruly pieces of wood into perfectly round, perfectly smooth shapes. How often have you thought that the process of cutting firewood could be easy and efficient? With the Typhoon RCA 330 Joy and Fun wood chippers, now everything is possible. Powered by an electric motor or connected to a tractor, these machines can make firewood production extraordinarily simple. Capable of processing logs from 0.16 to 1.08 feet in diameter and turning them into logs from 0.66 to 1.31 feet long, the Typhoon makes firewood making efficient and less tedious work. These machines will be your trusted partners in firewood production, ensuring the perfect size and shape of each log. When you need to receive numerous brochures or other printed material, and even in the ideal design, the best way to do this is, of course, with a specially trained technician. Meet the super powerful and productive hydraulically powered concrete mixer. It's a low-cost attachment that allows you to mix, transport, and pour concrete faster than a standalone mixer. The SD series is naturally built on a new platform that delivers the well-known multi-one strengths, versatility, and productivity. A wide range of original equipment attachments make these new multi-one mini loaders indispensable machines for applications such as agriculture, where many types of tools are required. In the era of high technology, the process of preparing gourmet dishes in restaurants is taking on the characteristics of a real spectacle, thanks to the outstanding automation of production processes. The new Rheinmetall MAN UDS HX 8x8 armored or unarmored soft-skin version of the vehicle, which is designed to support engineering troops. It is used as a crane plus heavy excavator with a 47.9-foot telescopic boom, lifting up to 7 tons with a 360 degrees rotating head. Often used by the military in training, operations, and disaster response, this HX 8x8 heavy-duty recovery vehicle is a great helper in such challenging applications. Hadrian X is a robot that can build brick structures. The system consists of a large telescopic robotic boom mounted on a 25-ton truck. A separate frame houses the electrical equipment, and the van houses the control systems. Before starting work, the robot reviews blueprints of the house and then creates a 3D model and plans its construction. The machine itself determines which bricks need to be cut and where those scraps can be reused, reducing waste. Glue is then applied to the bricks and put in place by a robot arm, guided by a laser. Hadrian X can lay bricks for a medium-sized country house in 2 days. It's cool to realize that in the complex process of weaving, it is the machines that do most of the work and the human role is minimal. This is not only a demonstration of technological progress, but also a step towards more efficient and less labor-intensive production. In the world of agricultural technology, a real wizard has appeared, capable of reducing the time and effort involved in cutting logs. This mechanized saw does more than just do its job, it dances with the logs, showing art and enthusiasm in every movement. Imagine a machine that can meet any challenge on the road to cleanliness. The Super 2000 on a Mercedes Actros chassis is just such a hero. This machine is a true giant in the world of cleaning. What makes it so special? For starters, it can clean pipes that other machines don't even dare to touch, extract contaminants from great depths and mill pipes. The Super 2000 utilizes a water recycling system that not only saves resources, but also makes the cleaning process more efficient. Water that has been cleaned from sludge in the tank returns to play, providing powerful and continuous cleaning. And with the telescopic boom reaching the hardest to reach places, there's no task it will back down to. So if you ask, can the cleaning process be made even more productive? With the Super 2000, the answer is unequivocally yes. Dramis, which specializes in the production of multi-axle mining trucks, has introduced a new 3-link tipping road train model, D150T. The tractor is a Kenworth T500 chassis with 2 front steerable axles and a rear-drive bogie tridem. Under the hood of the tractor is a diesel engine with an output of 605 horsepower, which is equipped with an automatic hydromechanical transmission in 2 3-axle semi-trailers, the capacity of the body unloaded to the side of each of which is 40 cubic meters. 11-axle road train can carry up to 150 metric tons of cargo. This machine will find applications in the transportation of gold ore and other heavy materials. A Chemrock KDS 50 diamond saw bust cuts the left wing of an old, retired Boeing 707 at Hamburg Airport. The outer end of the wing has already been cut off, and the operator cuts through the thin aluminum wing on the inside of the engine. It's no task to test the powerful attachments mounted on the telescopic handler owned by Thalen Industrial Demolition GmbH, TID. The forks of the telescopic forklift were placed under the jet engine to prevent it from falling after separating from the rest of the aircraft. What could I say? The diamond saw did a great job at its primary task. You see a trailed beach sweeper for cleaning up medium and small areas, 440 XL, from the popular brand Charrington. The principle of its work is simple: to sift sand and pick up debris in its hopper. The machine is also towed by a tractor of medium traction class. Furthermore, this model is perfect for cleaning beach sports grounds, equestrian areas, and even in agriculture. The PackMat PK404 is a mobile compacting machine that allows compacting all types of waste into open skips with a capacity of 30 meters cubed and more, as well as moving equipped skips with a maximum weight of up to 10 tons. PackMat PK404 is a roller compactor consisting of a frame made of welded profiles and equipped with a hydraulically driven roller weighing 2.3 tons. This model has 3 wheels, which means that the machine has a small turning radius, so it can work even on the smallest sites. The self-propelled machine provides compaction of all types of waste in open skips with a length of 251 inches and a maximum height of 104 inches, and skip reloading at a suitable site. The CAT amphibious excavator is one of the newer models in its class, which can be categorized as a range of trenching equipment. You are looking at a heavy construction machine that can be used for coastal trenching, loading and unloading, pile driving, and demolition work. The undercarriage of this amphibious excavator is specially designed to maneuver in harsh environments, such as swamps, inland lakes, and shallow waters where a normal standard excavator simply can't reach. In addition, this model comes with both a standard short reach handle and a 46-foot long heavy-duty handle, allowing it to be adapted to the job site. The very case when the machine has fulfilled its task with an A+. Now, guys, come on. Show the world what you can do and let your creativity run wild. Have you ever heard of moving trees using the dry suction method? If not, then look closely. Just 2 companies were tasked with digging up an adult tree in time for the Christmas season using a dry suction excavator provided by Ox Equipment and operated by Super Sucker. As a result of the fruitful work, the tree was successfully trimmed and transported to a new location and then safely replanted at another site where it is still thriving. The work process is, I must admit, very exciting. With several giants of technology taking up the challenge, one thing is promised: perfection in every curve and precision in every corner of your future. You can rest assured it will be perfect for future use. The SR Series rotary screening bucket provides high performance when sorting various materials. The rotary equipment is equipped with a replaceable screen system made of one piece. Its advantage is that it can be easily removed and replaced with other sieving sizes, from 20 by 20 to 100 by 100. SR rotary bucket equipped with a high-performance rotating drum of washing machine type with open front panel, which ensures maximum performance in sieving and sorting. The rotary screen is characterized by a strong and robust frame that can withstand even the heaviest working loads. The sieve drum is extremely robust and has a tapered base that optimizes the handling of the material being screened, both when the blade is parallel to the ground and when the bucket is closed. Here he is, an artist of the agricultural world, a picker and packer who works with such genuine passion that he can be compared to an insatiable beast, and his work to a gastronomic marathon. This technique seems to know no fatigue. If you are looking for the perfect crane mat paving machine, here it is in front of you. It is fast, powerful, stable, and efficient. It is the perfect all-in-one machine. You can easily transport, install, remove, and pave concrete mats more efficiently and faster than any other machine on the market. As standard, the Timber Pro is equipped with a continuous cab rotation system. This allows the operator to operate the machine without the need for unnecessary maneuvering. Such machines have also proven their effectiveness in other areas, such as logging operations, for example. See how cool it is to have a large machine create important parts with a perfect shape? It would be extremely difficult to achieve this effect manually. You see the green cargo self-loading, self-propelled manure spreader, the brainchild of the Belgian company Beemot. The machine is equipped with a Scania V8 engine rated at 450 horsepower But production machines will be converted to a 13.5-liter Deere engine, which can develop 400 to 600 horses. The spreader here is standard Tornado 3 from Joskin. At the same time, it combines the characteristics that form the basis of the machine's concept: durability, ease of use, and maintenance. Spreading widths generally range from 7 to 16 meters, depending on the product being spread. To achieve this result, the vertical shafts rotate at a speed of 423 revolutions per minute and spread the product with their teeth made of HB 400 steel. At their base, there are 2 blades that act as hammers in addition to spreading. Thank you for watching Mega Technology. We try to make good content for you. Every day we work for you. Video editor, screenwriter, designer, and content manager. See you in the next video.